bias, favoritism, or nepotism in the discharge of your public duties?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Would you tell the committee your financial net worth?
Mr. Chairman, I've been a very modest public servant, and my net worth is currently estimated at just about 700 million.
What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Currently, from my activities as a farmer and through consultancies that I do from time to time, do get occasional rewards. Otherwise, I am now a pensioner, a retired speaker, and I expect that I should be governed, whatever I get from the public coffers should be governed by the Deputy President and Designated State Officers Act of 2015.
Thank you. We'll now open the conversation.